He taught her the constellations that blazed above the peaks, and she showed him the secret language of the flowers. Their love, like the rare Edelweiss, bloomed in the most challenging and beautiful of places. However, the age-old rivalry between their clans cast a long shadow over their romance. Their families, steeped in tradition and suspicion, would never approve. Yet, their love only grew stronger, fueled by the breathtaking beauty of the mountains and the shared dream of a future where their tribes could live in harmony. One spring, a harsh winter left both tribes struggling. The Sunstone fields yielded little, and the Shadow Peak hunts were scarce. During a tense council between the elders, Alara, with Kale by her side, stepped forward. She presented a bouquet of the wildflowers they had gathered, each bloom symbolizing a lesson learned, a shared secret, a bridge built between their hearts. She spoke of the strength they could find in unity, the wisdom in sharing their knowledge, the Sunstone's farming techniques for the Shadow Peak's hunting prowess. Kale echoed her sentiments, his voice calm and steady, speaking of how their love had shown him a path to peace. The elders, initially resistant, saw the truth in their eyes and the potential for a brighter future for their people. And so, under the watchful gaze of the ancient Ethelgard Mountains, the two tribes began to forge a new path. Alara and Kale, their love a testament to the power of understanding, were wed in the very meadow where they first met, surrounded by the vibrant bloom of 1,000 mountain flowers.